Hello everyone, I'm here again because another parent messaged us and asked for help in solving this percentage word problem using the bar model method. Are you ready? Let's begin. The problem is the regular price of the science book was 1,500 pesos. Matty bought the science book at a 20% discount. How much did he pay for the book? Let's now represent this using the bar model method. So first, I'll draw a long bar and label that the usual price. And since it's the usual price, I will mark that 100%, which is equal to 1,500 pesos. For the discounted price, I'll make sure to draw a shorter bar, and I will also label the difference between the two bars, the bar that represents the usual price and the bar that represents the discounted price, 20%. Then, for the discounted price, I will label that 80% because 100% take away 20% is 80%. And I will mark that with a question mark because I don't know yet how much is 80%. Now, we can't compute for 80% if we don't know what 1% is. So let's start with that. So first, we know that 100% is 1,500. So to get what 1% is equal to, all I have to do is to divide 1,500 pesos by 100. And the answer is 15 pesos. So that means that 1% is equal to 15 pesos. Now that we know what 1% is equal to, we can now compute for 80%. So if 1% is equal to 15 pesos, then to get what 80% is equal to, I need to multiply 80 by 15 pesos. And the answer is 1,200 pesos. Matty paid 1,200 pesos for the science book. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope that the next time you face a percentage word problem, you'd consider using the bar model method. Now, if you think your children or your students need more help in solving word problems using the bar model method, this book is for them. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method book. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that will lead to the videos of the explanation of each of the word problems that are used in the book. Interested? All you have to do is to scan the QR code right here. Now, if you want to learn more on how to empower your children to solve word problems using the bar model method, this is the bar model method on-demand webinar for parents and teachers. Here we will discuss the bar model method, the different kinds of models, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models, and we will also tackle one-step, two-step, and multi-step word problems. If you're interested, you can scan the QR code right here.